Tess, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, discovering new Earths and super-Earths in the solar neighborhood. Tess has a simple stair-and-step observation strategy. Tess points anti-solar and remains fixed in inertial space for 27 days, or 2 orbits. Tess is a 2-year all-sky survey mission with 26 observation sectors, or 13 sectors per year. The overlap of the observation sectors near the pole is optimized for JWST's continuous viewing zone. After completing the Northern Hemisphere in Year 1, Tess transitions to map the Southern Hemisphere in Year 2. Every 13.7 days, Tess orients to point the Ka-band high-gain antenna towards one of 3 DSN stations for science data downlink. After the nominal 3-hour downlink is complete, Tess reorients back to science mode. Following the launch from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, Tess is placed into a 600-kilometer parking orbit. The lower adapter structure is released from the solid rocket motor. The satellite and the SRM stack spin rate is increased to 60 RPM. The solid rocket motor ignites, sending Tess into its first phasing orbit with a nominal apogee of 250,000 kilometers. The solid rocket motor burns out, and the spent rocket motor is released and falls away. Tess despins using onboard thrusters. Tess deploys its solar panels. Tess has only one deployment. At phasing orbit perigee, Tess performs a burn to increase apogee. Tess uses lunar gravity assist for mission orbit insertion. Following the lunar flyby, the Tess transfer orbit has a nominal lunar inclination of 37 degrees en route to Plie. At Plep, Tess performs the period adjust maneuver to reduce the mission orbital period to be 13.7 days, a 2-to-1 resonance with the orbit of the Moon. Lunar perturbations are roughly averaged to 0, with the Moon leading or lagging Tess at apogee by 90 degrees. The HEO orbit is stable over decades. Tess will discover new Earths and super-Earths in the solar neighborhood.